Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one choice is Sunjo Electric Pressure Washer. This electric pressure washer get more than 6,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. Sunjo provides the most water flow rate at an amazing 1.76 gallons per minute, powered by a 1800-watt 14.5 amp motor, affording you superb cleaning power. At just a little over $100, you'll already get Sunjo and its wide assortment of features, including 5 spray tips that come with the Quick Connect technology. Let's watch more about this electric pressure washer for car.
Welcome to Sunjo's SPX3000. With over 3,500 5-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjo is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9 liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjo's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX3000 comes equipped with 5 Quick Connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX3000 is backed by Sunjo's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.
Our second pick is Stanley SHP2150 Electric Pressure Washer. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight, versatile, and effective pressure washer, disregarding the price tag altogether, then the Stanley SHP2150 is a great choice. This pressure washer comes with a powerful motor, delivering a flow rate of 1.4 gallons per minute, with a max pressure at 2150 psi. Let's watch more about this.
The toughest outdoor cleaning projects require the most powerful electric pressure washer we make, the Stanley SHP2150. Class-leading 2,150 PSI for the power to clean almost anything. That's 43 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2150 PSI of power. Choose the SHP2150 because it represents the quality you see from Stanley. refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. Spray down all of your patio areas, including your patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Buy yours today.
Our number 3 is Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer. The Karcher K5 is an excellent choice if you want something really stable, as its 32-pound weight is almost staking it to the ground. It is powered by an induction motor that is ingeniously water-cooled to improve its lifespan by as much as 5 times. The pump is also designed to be maintenance-free and corrosion-resistant, so this is one less worry. It also comes with 2 unique sprays for a variety of applications. Our fourth pick is Greenworks 1950 Pressure Washer. The Greenworks GPW 1950 Pressure Washer sure can deliver the kind of cleaning that you would want for your vehicle, thanks to its powerful 1950 SI pump. Sadly, if you're looking for a higher capacity rate of flow, the GPW 1950 isn't for you, as it can only manage to provide with a measly 1.2 GPM. Let's watch more about this pressure washer.
Introducing the 13-amp 1950 PSI electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. Conveniently clean with the powerful yet quiet 13-amp induction motor, capable of harnessing water at 1,950 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute. Easily transported with its large and durable wheels. Clean those hard-to-reach places thanks to the 25-foot-long hose. The 35-foot-long ground fault circuit interrupter cable prevents tripping any of your home's breakers. Take on a wide range of stains using either the 0-degree, 25-degree, or 40-degree nozzles. Complete any cleaning job with the dual built-in soap tanks. Easily and conveniently store after use with the fold-down handles. With a 1-year warranty, the 13-amp 1950 PSI pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Our last pick is AR Blue Clean AR83 Electric Pressure Washer. The AR product comes with a more powerful 1900 SI rating and a larger volume 1.5 GPM capacity. The extra long 35-foot power cord is also a welcome bonus, since you don't necessarily want to spray your vehicle near your electrical outlet. The Arkansas Blue Clean also comes with an auto shut-off feature, which should come in handy for improving the life of both the motor and the unit itself.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!